Brad, welcome. You want to just build on that point? I mean, are the stocks like Facebook and Google being unfairly punished here or not?
Yeah, thanks for having me. I don't think so, honestly. I think we do a lot of channel work, talk to many advertisers, particularly the smaller ones that are disproportionate contributors to Google and Facebook's business in particular. And these guys change behavior basically for one of two things. Either one, they're getting a revenue hit, or two, they're trying to seek better return in other channels. Based on our checks to date, we're definitely hearing it's number one. They're either seeing impact or expecting impact, and so they're bracing for it. They're changing. They're making decisions today.
So you are going on the record for all of those who are saying this is a snap problem and saying, no, it ain't. There is a broad pullback in ad spending happening, and they are a victim of that?
Yeah, I mean, we've been doing this channel work for pretty consistently now for the past 6 months related to this specific topic. And we're on the record for the past 3 months that cracks have begun to form is kind of the headline we've been using. So yes, absolutely.
Are these cracks going to become canyons? And so, in other words, are we in the very early innings of of what you describe as an advertising pullback?
Yeah, so it's interesting. I think one of the things we focus on in our channel checks is we try and get a sense of how many advertisers have pulled back, obviously, as well as how much each advertiser is pulling back of their spends percentage-wise. And best as we could tell, we last published on June 23rd, we estimated that 1/4 of the small and medium-sized advertisers we were connecting with, which is a sample size of roughly 600 to 800, we estimate, about 1/4 of those had started to pull back. But again, like I said earlier, they hadn't actually seen a full revenue impact in many cases. And so our call was basically like, 1/4 have pulled back as of today, but we think that could get progressively worse.
So you say these are small and medium-sized advertisers. Can you give me some names, some examples of the kinds or the particular individual companies that have actually been pulling back as you check the channels?
Yeah, so we actually speak with agencies that are broad-based. They'll work with 24, 50, 100 of these guys. So unfortunately, I can't give you exact names, but that's the types of folks we're reaching out to.
That's what they're telling you. They're telling you that as agencies who are the ones who are actually buying the space, that the medium-sized companies are pulling back, and we're beginning to see that 25% or whatever number was you cited just a moment ago.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah.
And kind of to Tyler's point, Brad, so where do we go from here?
Yeah, I mean, I think we're in a period right now where, depending on what type of a business you talk to, I think there's some pretty good evidence brewing that the consumer is starting to show signs of deterioration, right? AT&T said yesterday that people suddenly aren't paying their cell phone bills on time as much. To the degree that weakness starts to creep into again, these small and medium-sized enterprises. We focus on that so much because it's so important to Facebook and Google's business. As they see more weakness, yes, it is logical that you would see more advertisers cut spend. And as we said, 3/4 of which we think is still to come.